What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today I wanted to make a video about affiliate marketing misconceptions. I'm going to debunk some myths that are out there about affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Affiliate marketing is an aspect of business that I have implemented into my multiple businesses in the past 3 years, and I've been able to generate extra 6 figures in my business with just affiliate marketing alone. So I wanted to debunk a few things that I hear a lot out there about affiliate marketing. Let's just start this off by saying I love affiliate marketing. It is part of the reason that allows me to be at home and work in my sweats. So I absolutely love it. And not to say that it's easy, because it's not. We're gonna go into that in a little bit. I wanted to, again, just let you guys know how wonderful it is, and then kind of address some things that I hear concerns about often. The number one thing I think I hear when I mention affiliate marketing is it's a pyramid scheme, or it's a scam, get rich quick, whatever you want to say. So just know most of the time the people who are downing affiliate marketing are, one, either people who have not tried it, or two, people who have tried it and have not stuck with it or had the wrong expectations from the beginning in order to have that kind of misconception about it. But I think a lot of people say that because they get MLM, which is multi-level marketing, or network marketing, confused with affiliate marketing. So just know they are not the same thing by any means. So unlike MLMs or multi-level marketing businesses, affiliate marketing programs are completely free to join, and they don't require you to recruit anyone into a network by any means. You don't have a downline or anything like that. Multi-level marketing is also often referred to as network marketing or pyramid selling. And essentially it's a strategy in which non-salaried participants promote and sell a product or a service. And the earnings are commission-based, and then they derive from the sales that are produced. In an MLM, you most of the time have to pay a fee of some sort to get started, which is not how affiliate marketing works. And you have to recruit people into your network, and your commissions are based off whatever product or service you are selling to either end users, so people who are buying the product or service to use it. Unfortunately, MLMs are structured in a way that mainly benefits those at the top, at the hierarchy of it all, right? Which is often how a lot of businesses are run, I'm not going to lie, but they are very similar to a pyramid type of structure, okay? I'm not going to say they're all pyramid schemes, but because of this, it obviously benefits the people at the top, okay? The only real difference is that in MLM, you make a commission on product sales to customers, whereas pyramid schemes base their pay on network recruitment, okay? So although MLM is not illegal by any means, and true pyramid schemes are illegal, there are some similarities between the two. Even a legal MLM, it's rare that participants make a profit, which is unfortunate. The startup investments are typically high, so you do have to pay an investment to get in, and it's difficult to recoup that money, okay, that you put in. So affiliate marketing is completely different than this. So affiliate marketing is much, much, much different. So with affiliate marketing and this strategy, participants choose which products they promote and earn a commission on every sale that they make. So I can be an affiliate of endless amount of companies or brands or products, services that I want to promote. I'm not just stuck with one company and I can only promote their products. And the commissions, the money from the commissions, is paid by that retailer or the business to the affiliate for driving traffic, driving sales, and driving referrals. So there is no network recruiting involved at all. So essentially with affiliate marketing, I go to a brand, they have an affiliate program and say, hey, refer someone to this product or this service or our brand, you earn a 15% commission. That's it. I only get paid from the referrals and the sales that I bring to that particular brand or business, whatever it is. Okay, and I can choose, again, I have the ability to choose which affiliate programs I want to join. It doesn't cost anything to join them. I literally, if you have an audience of any kind, you can get started with affiliate marketing. If 5 people are listening to you right now and you can promote something that you truly believe in, a product that you like or a service that you use, and they'll buy it, you can earn commission today from affiliate marketing. So it is very different. There are little to no startup costs, okay, depending on your strategy. So with affiliate marketing, as long as you have a method for promoting those brands, you can begin doing so completely free. There are many people who find affiliate marketing to be very profitable, and the relationship is mutually beneficial for the company and the individual affiliates. So just keep that in mind too, that when you are or wanting to be an affiliate of a brand, you have to bring value to them as well, okay? They're not going to bring all the value to you and make you all this money when you're not doing anything for them. The number 2 misconception kind of ties into what I was just talking about, and that is it's expensive to get started, okay? It is not expensive to get started with affiliate marketing. Again, depending on your strategy, but you don't need much money at all. What you do need is time, okay? I will not say that it's easy to get started. I will not say that it's just a set it and forget it type of thing. It is more of a long-term strategy, and you'll need time to get started. So one of the things that's really great about affiliate marketing is that I believe, at least, it is a truly level playing field as long as you're willing to put in the effort. You don't need to invest much money to start an affiliate business, and all you really need is a computer, internet connection, and some motivation. So back to what I just mentioned about you'll need time to get started. Affiliate marketing, it's a skilled practice, okay? There's learning to do, there's strategy to be had, and learning the ropes could be a little slow. Be prepared to spend a little bit of time rather than a lot of money at the beginning of your affiliate career. All right, it is not expensive to get started with affiliate marketing. Again, like I mentioned earlier, all you really need is an audience. Doesn't matter the size of your audience, but if you can get in front of people, whether it's free, you're getting in front of people on your social media, or whether it's paid, and you do want to start your affiliate career by driving paid traffic to affiliate offers, however that is, as long as you can get in front of people, you can start affiliate marketing today. Okay, and the number 3 misconception about affiliate marketing is that you need a blog or a website, which is completely false, okay? Most of the time, people think that they need a blog or a website to get started with affiliate marketing, but you don't. All right, if you have a blog or a website, obviously that's absolutely okay, but never keep it a reason for not starting an affiliate marketing business is because you don't have a website or a blog or whatever you think you need, because you don't. There are a lot of instances where some people follow the path of creating a blog or a website to give value to their business, as it gives a chance to communicate, obviously, with your target audience and showcase the products and services that you want to promote, but it's not the only way to do it. It's not the only way to create an affiliate marketing business. What I do recommend doing is, again, you don't need a blog or a website, but you want to be clear about these 3 things, okay, before you get started with your affiliate marketing strategy. So number 1, what type of business do you want to get in, okay? Number 2, you want to maintain consistency. And number 3, getting yourself in front of your target audience. This is the most important thing with affiliate marketing, and you don't need a blog or a website to do it. Think about this. How can I get in front of my target audience without a website? Answer me that question. I'm going to give you some ideas here, but leave some comments below if you have any other ideas that I want to hear from you guys. But the first and easiest way to do it is to be active on social media, all right? Get on Facebook, get on LinkedIn groups, wherever you feel like your target audience is, get on there. If you're promoting a product, you can share things like benefits that you've seen from using so-and-so's product. If it's a service, you can share what you've learned, again, to an audience that is related to your business, your target audience, okay? This will get you ultimately more eyes on you, and the more you share, the more contacts you're going to have because you're helping others with valuable content. Keep that in mind as well. You always want to be providing people with value. You can solve problems or a problem that other people have, then you can sell anything. When you give value in that way to a target audience consistently on a consistent basis, people are bound to notice you. Okay, so put yourself out there, get on social media, any which way that you feel like you can get in front of your target audience, do it. Another way that I've found very profitable for my business that you do not need a website or a blog by any means to start is creating an email list, okay? And using that email list for your affiliate marketing strategy. For me, I believe the money is in the list, okay? Not in a website or a blog. Again, those are and can be profitable strategies. But if you can build a email list, then I believe that this is one of the best ways to get started with affiliate marketing. And to do this, all you need to do is collect email addresses by offering people something of value that helps them solving a problem in exchange. So you can use a service like ClickFunnels. That's something that I use to make a landing page to actually collect people's emails. And then obviously you'll want to send them something of value in exchange. But once you go ahead and collect those emails, those are essentially leads. So you don't need a website to do this. All you need is a medium to actually collect their emails. And then you just need an email service to host those emails on. And then from there, you can send them emails, provide them even more value, and also promote affiliate products or services through and to your email list. So that is 3 affiliate marketing myths debunked in this video. If you found this helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and in the description, I'm gonna leave some resources for you guys so you can find out how you can get started with affiliate marketing today. Again, I've been able to create multiple 6 figures in my businesses alone just by adding affiliate marketing strategies to my business, and I want you to do the same. So go ahead, get some information in the description. I'll leave some links for you guys for some resources below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.